Hello, my name is Renier van Zyl. I'm a portfolio manager at Efficient Private Clients, and welcome to yet another edition of the Efficient Private Clients podcast series. During these 2 weeks, we will have a look at the intricacies surrounding developed markets and also South Africa. So in the first week of this podcast series, we will have a look at the opportunities in developed markets. Now we know over the last year and a half, developed markets have struggled with higher levels of inflation, higher interest rates, and also slowing growth. We also know over the next while, the US, for example, may struggle with a possible rising in its debt ceiling. We know that there's a possible recession. That's what the yield curve is telling us. And we know that the Biden administration wants to increase taxes on the super rich as well as corporations, and that might affect earnings. But despite this, equity markets have already lost a lot of their value since the start of 2022. And given the volatility that may lie ahead, long-term investors and patient investors might get opportunities to pick up great companies at decent prices. Then we will also have a look at some of the long-term opportunities in developed markets surrounding artificial intelligence, precision agriculture, cybersecurity, etc. Then in the second week of this podcast series, we will have a look at South Africa. Now, once again, we know that there's been a lot of controversy surrounding our load shedding as well as the grey listing, but then once again, the markets isn't the economy. The markets generate more than 70% of their revenues offshore. And you know, with the recent reopening of the Chinese economy and perhaps even a possible weaker dollar towards the end of the year, there's a lot of opportunities in some of our companies. So in this podcast series, we'll have a look at some of our banks, some of our retailers, some of our commodity players, Naspers and Prosus, and then also some of our hospitality companies. So please sit back, relax, make yourself a cup of coffee, and enjoy this podcast series with us.